myself Mrs. Aarti. Children, today we are going to study the GK children. In the previous session we have discussed three topics children, tallest and biggest, wild animals and birds on the land. And today we are discussing the another three new topics children. The three new topics are, fourth topic is ones, Y-O-U-N-G and O-N-E-S, ones and ones. And the fifth topic is animal food, A-N-I-M-A-L, animal, F-O-O-D, food. Sixth topic is plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Children, in this session we are going to discuss three topics, animals, animal food and plants. Children, now all of you open your semester 1 book, Sunshine class 1 semester 1 book. Children, all of you open your, take this book children, take this Sunshine semester 1 book children and take out your pencil and eraser children, and all of you open page number 235. Children, open page number 235. I hope you all have opened the page 235. In 235, what you are seeing the heading children? You all are seeing the heading as and ones, Y-O-U-N-G, and ones. Like humans, animals and birds too have and ones children. These and ones are called by special names. Like a human, like you, as human beings, animals also are having their and ones children, and those and ones are called by some special names. Now let us study how they are called by the special names in this chapter children, that is the and ones. First is, you see children, first picture what you are seeing, the and one of a cat is. What it is children? Are you able to recognize the picture children? What it is? It is a cat, and the and one of cat is called kitten. So we have written now children here K-I-T-T-E-N. So what you should do? You should write with the help of your pencil. You should write here in the dash as kitten, K-I-T-T-E-N. The and one of cat is kitten. Here see children, the and one of a cat is kitten, K-I-T-T-E-N. The and one of cat is kitten. Next children, you see the and one of a lion is. What it is picture children? It is a lion, and the and one of a lion is, it is cub, C-U-B, cub. The and one of a lion is cub. See here children, the and one of a lion is dash. The and one of a lion is cub, C-U-B, cub. This is second children. Third you see, the and one of a duck is what? Are you able to see the picture children? Yes, the and one of a duck is dash. It is duckling, D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G. In the dash you write children, all of you what you will write? You will write as a duckling. The and one of a duck is duckling. See here children, I have written the and one of a duck is dash. It is duckling, D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G. The and one of a duck is duckling. Next, fourth you see children. Fourth picture what you are seeing children, what it is? Are you able to recognize the picture here children? What it is? It's a kangaroo children. The and one of a kangaroo is called what? The and one of a kangaroo is called joy, J-O-E-Y, joy. The and one of a kangaroo is joy. See here children, the and one of a kangaroo is dash. It is joy, J-O-E-Y, joy. Fifth children you see. Fifth picture you see children here, the and one of a sheep is. What it is children? It is a sheep. What we call it is, and one of sheep is called lamb, L-A-M-B, lamb. See here children, the and one of a sheep is dash. The and one of a sheep is lamb, L-A-M-B. Sixth one you see children. What it is? I know you all know this. What it is? It is a hen. The and one of a hen is called what? It is called chick, C-H-I-C-K, chick. See here children, the and one of a hen is chick. C-H-I-C-K, chick. So this is about the young ones children. Here we came to know the 6 animal and birds young ones children. One is cat, young one of lion, young one of duck, young one of kangaroo, and sheep and hen. Here we came to know the young ones of these animals and birds children. So what is your homework in this topic children? You should write all these young one names in your notebook children, and you should practice the spelling children. I hope you all have understood this young ones children. Okay, fine children. Now we are going to discuss the 5th bit, that is animal food. Now all of you turn your page children, and you will get a page number as 236. I hope you all are getting this page now children. That is 236. That is the heading you are seeing is animal food. Animal food. Different animals eat different kinds of food. Some eat only plants, whereas others eat only meat. Some eat the both. Children, you all have your food or not? Without food can you live? No, we can't live without food. Like this only, these animals will also have their food. Some of them eat plants, and some of the animals will eat meat, and some of the animals will eat both plants as well as animals. Now let us study what the animals will eat. So let us test your knowledge children about animal food. That is the correct answer is there children. All of you take the pencil in your hand children. First you see, what does a tiger eat? What does a tiger eat children? What does tiger eat? Whether it will eat deer or plant? Yes, tiger will eat deer. So you should put a right mark for deer. D-E-E-R, deer. What does tiger eat? Tiger eat deer. So here, for what shall I put the tick mark children? For deer, I will put a tick mark like this. You also make a tick in your book. Next, what does an elephant eat? What does an elephant eat children? Have you seen it? Yes, elephant will eat leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Elephant will eat leaves. So here I will take the right mark for leaves. Next, what does an eagle eat? What does an eagle eat children? Whether eagle will eat rat or grains? Eagle will eat rat. So you should put a right mark for rat. R-A-T, rat. So here I will put a right mark for rat. Next, 4th one children. What does a polar bear eat? Whether polar bear will eat seal or whale? Think it children. Yes, polar bear will eat seals. S-E-A-L, seal. So you make a right mark for seal. So I will put a right mark for seal here. Next, 5th one children. What does the squirrel eat? Children, what does the squirrel eat? Squirrel will eat worm or nuts? Think it. Squirrel will eat nuts. N-U-T, yes, nuts. So you should put a right mark for nuts. So here, nuts. Next, 6th one children. What does the rabbit eat? I hope you all love rabbit or not children? Yes. What does rabbit eat? Rabbit will eat carrot or fish? Rabbit will eat carrot. So I will put a right mark for carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. So here I will put a right mark for carrot. Next, what does a giraffe eat? Children, do you know what does a giraffe eat? Giraffe, whether it will eat leaves or meat? Think it. Yes, giraffe will eat leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. So I will put a right mark for leaves here. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Next children, what does a caterpillar eat? Whether caterpillar will eat root or leaf? Think it children. Yes, caterpillar will eat leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. So all of you put a right mark for leaf. Now here I will put a right mark for this leaf. So children, now you came to know the 8 animals. What animals and different animals what they will eat. Children, what you should do? You should make a practice of these children, what the different kind of animals will eat. You should practice it, children. This is the homework. Doing practice is your homework, children, in this fifth topic, that is animal food. So next topic we are discussing is about the children, that is plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. And you all are seeing this page now, children. Page number 237. It is there, children. Are you getting this page? Yes, I think you all are getting this page 237. In this page, what you all are seeing, children? You are seeing a plant. Whether you are seeing the plant or not? Yes, I hope you all are seeing the plant in this page. Apart from plants, children, birds and humans, plants are also living beings. Apart from animals, children, birds and human beings, plants are also living beings. Because plants will provide us what? Plants will provide us oxygen to breathe. So, in this session, we are discussing about the plants, children. And we are going to label the different parts of a plant. I think you are clear now, children. Today we are labeling the parts of a plant. Children, which kind of plant it is? It is a vegetable plant, children. Do you know? It is a brinjal vegetable plant, children. It is a vegetable plant, and you can able to see here. What is this, children? What are these? What you call it as? These are leaf. This is a leaf, and this is what? This is a stem. And what it is, children? Are you able to see the yellow color? It is a flower. And what it is? Are you able to see here, children? It is a bud. And this is a fruit. This is actually it is a vegetable plant here, children. This is a fruit, that is brinjal. It is a brinjal. And what are these, children? These are the roots. Have you seen like this plant, children? Yes, it is a plant. Leaf is there, flowers, bud, fruit and roots. Now we are going to label the parts of the plant here, children. What it is? First, I have shown you now, children, yellow color, it is a flower. So what you will write in this first blank, children? You will write F-L-O-W-E-R. It is a flower. Are you able to see this, children? In this arrow mark, your dash is there. You should write flower. Second, what it is, children? Second, it is a bud. B-U-D, bud. And the third, what it is, children? These are roots. R-O-O-T-S, roots. R-O-O-T-S, roots. And what it is, children? It is a green color, means what it is? It is a leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. It is a leaf. And what it is? It's a fruit. Fruit means F-R-U-I-T, fruit. So here, children, in this picture we came to know the 5 parts of the plant: flower, bud, roots, leaf and fruit. See here, children, I have written the names of the parts of the plant. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. B-U-D, bud. R-O-O-T-S, roots. L-E-A-F, leaf. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. So, children, these are the parts of the plant. How many parts of the plant we have discussed, children? We have discussed only 5. Flower, bud, roots, leaf and fruit. Children, what is your homework in this 6th chapter, children? That is, you should write or you should practice all these spellings of the different parts of the plant, and you should do a homework, children. This is about the plants, children. I think you all might have understood these 3 topics, children, that is animals, animal food and plants. Have you understood or not, children? Yes, you all might have understood this chapter. Children, in the the next session we will discuss the another topics of this GK children. Thank you.